Hey guys, this is Damon from the Tiny House Experts. There was a question posed to us about how to flash over the wheel wells. Let me zoom out here a little bit. This is a deck over trailer. We start this conversation the right way. So where you see the cross members abbreviated here, here, and right there, that's where the wheels will travel up and down once this thing is on its running gear. Okay? So what we're trying to do, the question was, can you put a flashing or a belly pan of some sort here to make sure that road debris and things don't get up in there, or maybe you live in a wilderness environment, you want that extra layer of sheet metal protection so critters don't come into your home unwelcome or uninvited. But more importantly, the how-to is what we want to address here. We do some with belly pans, some we don't. It's really up to the environment and the climate and the customer. So what works for you is what we'll do. I got a little piece of cardboard here. And I know this is kind of crazy, but pretend that this is a piece of sheet metal and it started life flat. And I'm going to ask my buddy here to hold this camera while I jump in and kind of do this in front of you guys. So if you act like this is bent up, so we start with a flat piece of sheet metal here, bend an edge up about an inch and a quarter. We'll do that around all four sides to the size of this opening. And then come in here and let me show you where we're going to attach this. You're going to move this from the bottom of the cross member up a couple inches so that you've got good sufficient wheel travel, and everything up here on top is going to hold your insulation. And this gives you a screw flange all the way around. If we take that and we bent that to this piece, right, we've got three sides to mount this to, and then this will turn it down and it'll act like kind of a dam against the spray foam. So we'll spray foam there, and then we'll come back and we'll spray foam this little section. So hopefully this kind of gives you an idea, and let me know in the comments below if you understand the process and the principle here, or if you guys want me to actually make a pan and install it for you. Damon from the Tiny House Experts. See you next time.